Truss PVC gypsum ceiling tiles is a kind of environmentally friendly, lightweight, high quality. There are more than 100 colors to choose. It is made of high-quality paper-faced gypsum board with a layer of PVC on surface and aluminum foil on its back. We can print your logo or our logo on package and it is free. We can also print your logo on a board edge. It can be widely used in high fireproof and waterproof requirement environment, such as hotel, hospital, school, and factory, etc.